technical trader at detector.com. It's Monday, July the 3rd. We had a half a day today, but there was a lot of action in some of the stocks that are featured today are worthwhile. Take a look at them and enjoy your holiday tomorrow. And we'll maybe get involved with some of these on Wednesday. I'm going to start off alphabetically with ACMR. A semiconductor stock, excuse me, we broke out above resistance today, popping from 1330 to 1559 and finishing at 1483. That was up $1.75, 13%. And you can see that this perhaps sends it up into the 18, 19, 20 zone. We'll keep an eye on this one. This has some momentum. Old favorite AEHR on the highest close since we've been watching this stock, jumped from 41.11 to 44.24 and finished at the high for the day going away. This looks like it could explode here as there's no overhead resistance. It was up 265 or 6.4%. Keep an eye on this stock for a run into the low mid 50s. AHI, explosive wedge today, and then it popped out from 370 to 668 before back up to 568. It's still up $1.80, 46%, and it's traded, looks like 13.4 million. Yeah. So there's resistance up here, but the next target has to be 11 and then 13.5. APLD, now 4 days in a row after retesting the moving average at 50-day and moving back up again. I expect a retest of that spike high 11.5, 60, and then we're headed to 15. Crypto stocks did well today. BTBT, that Bit Digital, been a beautiful rising channel since January when it's trading 55 cents today, 460, ninefold increase and flagging like it wants to go higher. 5 3/4 and 6 3/4 are your next targets. CLSK, another stock in that realm, now has multiple tops of resistance at 5 1/4. Today it popped from 430 to 499, finished 486, up 50 cents. That's 11.5%, and the volume was solid at 11.2 million. If we can get through here, we likely have a run that takes us to 6.5 3/4. Another one in that realm is Coin, really having a really good time of it of late. It's gone from the June pullback low of 46, excuse me, to 80. 46 to 80 in about 3 weeks. Very nice. Right now, challenging the 85 area where there's a double top that gets through, you're looking at 105.10. ENVX extended its recent move. This is a tech trader swing. Looks like it can extend to 21 and maybe 26.7 eventually. FNGR, strong snapback after a 3-day fall and a pause yesterday. Today it popped 64 cents at 21.4% and finished at the high for the day going away. Really strong move. Next targets, a retest of the recent spike high at 435 and then 5.5. Iren in the energy group coming through multiple resistance tops today, jumped $1.08 or 23.5%. Your next target could be as high as 7. LFMD came out of a coil a couple days ago, has been extending and jumping another 45 cents or 10.3% today. This low price stock continues to have momentum. It looks like it could be a $6 stock short term. Lithium also coming through a major double, triple top area and gaining another 61 cents or 2%. Not a big deal, but it looks like the breakout could extend, and I'd be looking for 32 and 35. MARA was traded today. Stock looks great, been really on a nice track, targeting 16 and as high as 18.5, 19. ONCY, after pulling back for 3 days, has been popping back. Had an inside day Friday today, really popped nicely. 257 to 316, up 43 cents, 16%. If we can get through 340, my target's going to be 4.5 3/4. Open, also coming out of a base and then channeling up. Now across resistance. I have a target now of 6.5, 428 last. OPRA, one of the strongest stocks on the board for the last 6-7 months, has gone from a October low at 393 to currently 21.5. Up about 8% today. Momentum could carry this to the mid-20s. PPSI came out of a coil about a month ago, then pop flag, and now popping again. Today up another 12% or $1.06. Target 11 3/4. Rivn broke out of a base today that was about 4 months in the making It spiked from 16 to 1970, finishing just off the high of 1956 up 291, a 17.5% gain, a whopping 72 million shares, 75 traded, sorry. Next target, 22. TSLL, the tracking stock for Tesla, with Tesla having a big day. This one popped 1790 to 1959. It finished at 1917 up 179, it's 10%. If you get through here, very well they can move into the low 20s. Upstart, now up for 6 days in a row after coming down for a week and resurrecting the channel that appears. Channel top target up in the high 40s. VTYX popped sharply. It held all day, up 7 to 47, and finished at the highs for the day at 40.27, up 23%. You get through here, 47 is your target. And finally, XPEV, the Chinese automotive electric vehicle manufacturer, has been really moving of late. 6 days in a row. It's taken it from under 10 to 15, so about a 50% move. And it doesn't look done, although this could be a 1, 2, 3, and we may need to have a fourth wave consolidation in this zone. However, your next target is 17. And let's look at the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody. Have a great holiday.